Hello, everyone. Today I want to share with you my Christmas coffee table styling. Now, it's going to be very simple because when the Christmas decor came out, I wasn't walking. So, this is a totally no spin decor. Now, first, of course, your girl has to wipe this table down because the glass does need a little cleaning, right? Okay. So, once we get it all cleaned up, we're going to start at the bottom and work our way up. So, let me know what you think of the styling I did for Christmas for this coffee table. And I'll catch you at the end of the video. Now, I did it kind of simple, guys, but I'm going to give you an overall look of the top of the table. And then a look at the bottom of the table. Now we'll start here at the bottom. Now that candle holder there, I keep that under there. That was thrifted. I filled it up with the red ornaments from the Dollar Tree. The clear reindeer that you see on the top and the bottom, those came from the Dollar Tree as well as the snowflake mats underneath each section. Those came from the Dollar Tree. I've had those for years. Now, as far as the red and white snowmen playing instruments and singing Christmas carols and trees, well, I found that hunting around on eBay. I love the snowmen, the frosted ones, and I was looking for red and white a few years back, and I found those and I had to have them. So that finishes off the bottom layer of the coffee table. Simple, but to the fact of Christmas. Now the upper layer, we'll start here with this beautiful frosted tree that came with it, and it's a set with the father, the mother, and the child all skating. Now the light post came with a different set, but I wanted it on the table with this one. So I think they all came out really, really pretty. The setup is very simple. It's a frosted Christmas in here this year. So I have my snow people, which you will see in some shape or form every year because I love snowmen. So that is my coffee table. Very simple. Says Christmas, says snowman, because we don't get that much snow here in Houston. So I always try to make sure that I keep my snowmen in check. I really like them because I like the expressions on their faces. The ones up top, they have the little red faces and noses, as you can see. I think they're really cute. And I really like my coffee table styling. Very simple, but it still says Christmas. Let me know what you think of my snowman and their skating down below. And you know I love reading your comments. And I will see you in the next episode.